Alright, we have us today Mark Lewis, goal scorer of the game today. William Knibb 1, Paul Bogle 0. Mark Lewis with a tremendous performance. What do you think about your performance today, Mark?
Well, it was a great performance, you know.
What do you think about what was going through your mind at that moment when you scored that goal, knowing that you guys were actually clutching at that point? Not really clutching, but you guys were finding it a bit difficult to come out of your own box because Paul Bogle was playing extremely hard and you guys get that early goal to kind of ease the pressure off. What do you think about that point?
It was just hard work and determination.
So going forward from here, you guys have some tough games coming up. What are your thoughts going to those games?
Well, there are some tough games coming up, but it's just a game at a time, you know. Going back to the drawing board and come again.
1-0 last game and now 1-0 again. You have scored both goals in all those 1-0 games. Is this a trend going forward now? You're nicking some 1-0s and you are the goal scorer?
Well, let us see.
All right, Mark, and good game and see you guys again. All right.
Thank you.